Let's get to the video.
Hello everybody. So today I just decided to vlog because I have a surprise. I'm very excited. So yep. So I'm currently in school. As you can see, I'm in school. I'm like 3 minutes late to my class. This is my outfit. But yeah, so I'll catch y'all later when I get out of class. I suck at vlogging, but I'm going to the library right now. School library. I just got out of my class and I received my quiz back and I got 18 out of 20, which is not bad. So yeah, going to the library. And if you see I'm vlogging with my phone a bit down, it's because I'm shy to record in public. I'm not comfortable yet, so yeah. Or if I'm talking low or something, just try to understand, because I don't like people looking at me and I'm like holding my phone and stuff. But yeah, so that right there, that's our school library. So okay, so while he's doing his homework, I'm just sitting here looking pretty. You can't see the smile under this mask. Finally out of the Finally out of the library, going home now. I don't know how to vlog, bro. If that's how you hold it, I don't know. So, remember when I said I had a surprise coming up later? I got a baby. Look at that. His name is Finn. Wait, hold him so I can show the size. He's like very tiny. Look at him. He's so tiny. Hi. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. And then he's skinny too, so he's like perfect. He's not heavy. I thought he was gonna be bigger, really. Oh my goodness. I'm so hi guys, so I'm currently going to the teen center. Anyways, I don't know where that at, but I'm currently going to to meet this lady, my friend, to get his crate, because she used to have a dog, so she's gonna give me the crate, so I don't have to get a crate, because crates are expensive. Like, well, not crazy, but like, I'm a cheap person, so it gotta be less than $30 for me. Thank you. So yeah, I'm just walking out here, going to the teen center to get my baby's crate, and then I bought him the bed and all that things that he needs, like, you know, things that he needs, but not everything, because I still didn't get the nail clip to clip his nails and stuff. But like, that's not like something that I need like right now, because I don't need to cut his nails right now. So that's something that I'm gonna get later. I just got him things that I feel like I'm gonna need like soon. So it's all coming tomorrow. But today I gotta go to the store and get a leash and pads, because I'm gonna potty train him indoor, so I gotta use pads. Yep. So yeah, and I'm gonna show y'all the things I got him when he comes tomorrow, because it's just easier. So yeah. Okay, so we're going to my mom's house, and there is a problem. He's still here, but he's not mine. They delivered the wrong puppy. So I'm gonna have to wait until next week, Wednesday, in order to get the puppy that I ordered. It's sad. They're picking him up tonight. His name is Nash, by the way. So, yep. So I'll be continuing the vlog next week, Wednesday. Okay guys, so at the moment we are taking Nash to the drivers, because the drivers are here to pick him up and take him to New Jersey, where he actually belongs, where he was supposed to be delivered. So I'm sad, but I'll be okay. So we're currently just taking him. Look at him, he's so calm. I really like him. And say bye. Yeah. I go sniff the phone, Finn. Oh, that's not Finn. That's Nash. I go sniff the phone, not Finn. Oh. That was sad. That was hard. Life is hard. What?
Not seen.
I know, not Finn is gone.
Hashtag not seen.
Yeah. Finn, you better be here next week. Let's follow him. Yeah, it's red. Go. We go follow him and kidnap Finn back. Not Finn. Oh man. Not Finn going. And there's red. We can't even follow them. Okay. Okay guys, so stay tuned for Finn next week. Gotta wait a whole week, man, a whole week. And I only had not Finn. Why I keep calling him? His name is Nash, bro. And I only had Nash for like 7 hours, man. And he was sleeping most of the time. Literally, he sleeps a lot. But anyway, so stay tuned. Next week I'll be dropping another video or another vlog when Finn gets here. And then I'm also gonna do unboxing things that I bought for him and stuff like that. So stay tuned. Oh, make sure to follow me on my social media. You can find the link down below in the description box.